What's up, guys? This is Eben here. So I am just doing a quick review on this system I found online, where you can actually make some easy money and make it fast online. So this system is called $25 OneUp, and I started pretty much now with them about a little over 2 weeks ago now, and already made about $350 now with them as well. So this is especially for people that have never made money online, that have tried different things, and they kind of just struggle to make that first commission or to make that first money online. So pretty much then how it works is you simply copy and paste ads on social media. So you would copy the ads that they would give you, you would paste it onto social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or wherever. You would copy and paste those ads, and then what happens is when someone responds to that ad, make a purchase of one of the digital products, you get paid 100% instant commission. So this is pretty much it's not just me. There's actually other people that's been making money online as well, that's been making money with this system. So this lady Shauna Wilson, she made $125. There is, you scroll down, so as you can see, there's someone, Shauna, that made, as you can see, is having multiple signups. So because the cool thing is, again, they show you exactly, they give you the groups. For example, on Facebook, all the groups that you can join, where you can paste your ads. And then what happens is, again, so you would simply respond to, if someone says they would like to get more information, you would inbox them with the information, and then from there, then let the system follow up. Now, the cool thing is that it is so simple actually to do this. Now, the first thing is actually, then if you want some more information, you need to go to earnwitheben.com. That's earnwitheben.com. Then what happens is you fill in your email address and your contact number, your email address and your name in over here. And then what happens is then you're going to get all the information, a short video of how you can actually earn $300 per day. So pretty much then what happens is then, if you are tired of working for your boss, and you are thinking maybe Christmas is around the corner and you want to start making some money now going into 2019, and think about how many times have people thought oh, this year has been a tough year, with pretty much then with this system you can actually earn a decent income. So pretty much then, so like I said, you're going to go to earnwitheben.com. Now, how does this whole thing work? How does this system work? What is pretty much the gist of it? So like I said, you simply copy and paste ads. So this is now is pretty much a done for you system. So which means that you get a capture page and a landing page. So what happens is then, so if someone, for example, enters the details, you're going to get that capture page that's going to get sent to your kind of email list. Then what happens is then the system will follow up with your prospects, with those people, for 14 days to ultimately close the sale for you, so that you don't have to do the closing with this person. So it does it for you. So they basically get sent the email for 14 days. And once that person decides that they want to join up and purchase one of the products, then you get paid an instant commission. You're basically going to earn a 100% commission. And again, the cool thing is, but it is really that simple. I found that I've been with other systems, and you kind of get lost with regards to how you're doing the right thing. What should you be doing? With this, it's pretty much straightforward. You get all the information. There's videos, there's training on the inside as well, where they would show you exactly how you can actually what you need to do step by step, and pretty much that is it. So what you guys can do is you can go to earnwitheben.com to get some more information, or you can go down for the link to get some more information, and that is pretty much the $25 OneUp system. So otherwise, thanks and God bless, guys.